Analytik Jena's unique flow injection technique guarantees reliable results. The MultiNC 3100's large diameter tubes provide superior particle handling capabilities. When the sample is taken into the injection loop, no sample and particles enter the syringe pump. This minimizes, together with an effective rinse, carryover and material wear. A robust ceramic valve guarantees optimum particle handling. The sample is injected quickly, and all particles are completely transferred from the injection loop to the furnace. The injection needle and valve are effectively rinsed. This is followed by the reverse rinse of the sample aspiration tube and needle into the auto-sampler rinse station for full carryover control. Most TOC and TNB analyzers have thin tubes, and the sample is aspirated directly into the syringe pump, leading to particle sedimentation and material wear. Sample dilution is necessary to avoid overloading the detector or exceeding the calibration range. There is no reverse rinse after injection, thus remaining particles in the syringe lead to carryover, false results, and wear. When dealing with heavy particle-loaded or oily samples, Analytik Jena's direct injection technique is the solution of choice. The sample is directly taken up into the microliter syringe, with a rinsing step included. The septum-free direct injection is done top to bottom by a wide-bore needle with complete particle transfer. No tubes and valves are needed. The injection needle is thermally cleaned in the furnace head during measurement. The syringe is pre-flushed with the next sample, thus carryover is reliably minimized. With Analytik Jena's flow injection, with its sample loop technique, is ideal for a wide range of applications. The unique direct injection principle is the best choice for particulate samples and limited sample volumes.